Hello dear friends, today we'll do some fruit shake. Again, basically it's fruits and vegetables, and yeah, you can make it in any style you want, so everything just wash it and clean it, prepare it. So today we'll do the ginger shake. So if you put just a little bit, it's make no difference, no taste. If a little bit more, maybe some ginger smell or aftertaste. But if you put like even more, so it will be a bit spicy, I would say, but make quite interesting taste. And if you eat a lot of carrot or beetroot, pumpkin, you'll be tired from it. But when you put it in shake or put it in salad, it tastes quite nice. Yeah, I eat quite a lot of fruits. So always, so you can put big banana, or I put it small because it's more sweet. You can add some honey, but fruit is sweet already, so really no need any honey, anything sweet. Additionally, you can add some, I don't know, nuts, peanuts, seeds, whatever. It's really optional. And if it's not sweet enough for you, you can add more fruits, whatever. So it will be a ginger cake. So I make a lot of experiments. Some may fail, but some I had quite nice result. Yeah, I love ginger, and I have a lot of different kind of fruits I eat. Not all they taste quite good, so I try to make some salad or plan how can eat it. You can add some water or milk. I don't know, I can digest milk quite well, so for me it's fine. More tropical fruits a little bit because it's too sweet. And of course mango. So a lot of calories in it. If you want to gain a good way, so you can make some shakes. It will be really good ingredients. So you can think what you want to add to it, and if it will be a little bit like literally anything, it will not make any big difference in the taste. And I can drink it like every day literally, because I do different shakes like almost every day to make a different taste. And yeah, I got some protein powder, so you can add some whey protein a little bit, but it's optional as well. It's not that necessary. So that's it. Super quick. So feel free to make your own experiments with food. Yeah, not enough water. So we have protein smoothie, not a shake. Okay, final test. It's strange spicy. I would say need add a bit more water and maybe one more banana and we'll be fine. So it's sweet and spicy, really interesting taste, but I like it. So if you add small piece of ginger, I think this will be better.